Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a fun video. Now I did miss this month's Boxy and Ipsy. I still got them, but like the regular ones. My mom was visiting for my daughters and my birthday. They're 2 days apart. So she was here for quite a while and I missed the time frame to get the videos up. Because if you don't get up BoxyCharm and Ipsy in a timely manner, like you get 100 views. And that's it. And that's what I would have gotten or less because I just missed the time frame because I was just so busy. I did, however, get an unexpected box. Now, Tribe Beauty reached out to me like 3 months ago and asked for my address. And I thought I was going to get the, was it December box? And I didn't. So I was like, oh, okay, well, it's fine. You know, it was nice that they reached out to me. And I ended up getting sent the February box, which came in this adorable holographic little pouch here. And I was not expecting this. I was super surprised. And I was like, oh my gosh, how fun. This is actually a really beautiful box. I was super excited for it. So they are a box that ships every 2 months. And it is $34.99. They actually have amazing reviews on their website, and they give you 5 full-size products worth over $100. They are 100% female and women of color owned. The future is female, hashtag the future is female. These are all women-owned brands that they feature in their box. So it's women empowerment, and this month's theme is soft glam. So it's really cute. They gave us a little insert card here and tells you everything about the product. So that's nice. So first off, they sent this absolutely huge and beautiful bag. I love it. It's so big and roomy. Like, it's just, right now it's holding everything in it, but look how huge that is. It's beautiful. And that is $19.99. And if you guys are unaware of my unboxing videos, I do a quick unboxing of the actual box. And then for the second part of my video, which is why they're a little longer, I actually do a try-on of all the products. And for this video, I am using my brand new lens that I got for my birthday, so you guys get to come up real close and personal to my eyeball. You're welcome. So the first product is the Wanderess Fling palette, and this is $25. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you guys, but this palette was so beautiful. I was highly impressed. And I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple product shots that I also took of these. So while I'm swatching these shades, I'm going to pop up some product shots for you guys. But we're going to go in with Bouquet, Blossom, Marigold, Eden, Orchid, and Cedar. Now Eden is a satin finish shadow. It's not a matte. And these wet are crazy gorgeous. So there is Bouquet. I am not the best arm swatcher. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Focus on my arm. That's so pretty. Next is Blossom. This one is a duochrome, like peachy pink. Super beautiful. Next is Marigold. Which I would think Marigold would be more yellow, but that one's pretty. It's like a rose gold. Next up is Eden, which is that satin. This is so soft, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's like velvet. This is a very beautiful, soft, dusty pink color. Oh, that just went up into the other one. Very soft. Next is Orchid, and this is a really beautiful purple, but it kind of has a little bit of a brown base. So I think like a brownish red terracotta colored base. Oh, I'm not even in the, this is why I don't do arm swatches. So this would look really beautiful with reds and browns. And then the last one is Cedar. I love these names, you guys. This brown is actually very pigmented. I am the worst arm swatcher ever. So there's the swatches of the palette. It's super, super beautiful. I actually will get a ton of use out of this because these are like my favorite kind of colors. But there is the palette. Very pretty. Next is the Blur Stix by Iconic Beauty. I did use this for you guys to see, but this is $15, so you guys can see what I thought of it and what it looks like up close after I apply my foundation. It does smell delicious. It smells like summer. It smells really good. It just smells very summery and coconutty. Next are the Luxie Eye brushes. I got 111 and 237. Now I just found my absolute favorite transition brush because I have hooded eyes. They're very tiny. This is the most amazing transition brush for hooded eyes or small eyes. It's incredible, you guys. And I actually already have this one right here. This is just a great brush for packing on very pigmented areas, but small areas. And it's angled so it fits into your eye shape really nicely. And these are $24. The next is this Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum by Earth Harbor. And this is $54. So you wear this while you sleep, and it is used to retexturize your skin to reveal more radiant looking complexions. And this smells like heaven. This smells like some kind of cocktail, actually. It smells really good. The next is Read My Lips by The Balm in the shade Zap, and it is a really cute little cherry red. I'm wearing it right now. It's just got a little bit of sparkle, and I say 15 bucks, $15. And last is Lash Serum by Serum, and this is $29.99, and I will be using this to see if this actually works for lengthening my eyelashes and my brows. But that is what it looks like, and the applicator looks like this. It's very thin. But that's actually so many products, you guys. I was extremely impressed with this month's theme. So if you guys would like to see me try all these on, then just keep watching. I am using a new camera. I'm still trying to get used to it. So this is very close, so you guys can see more in-depth details for my eye looks. So I'm going to be using this lash serum and also eyebrow serum. And as you guys can see, the tip is very, I don't know where to hold this. All right, right there. The tip is very tiny. So it's also for eyebrow use, as you guys can see also. I only have half an eyebrow because my normal eyebrow grows right down there, and I like to make my eyebrow come up and out here because I don't have a lot of space right here. So my eyebrow drags my downturned eyes even farther down. But let's go ahead and use this in our brows. Now obviously this is something you're gonna have to use for quite a while. It's not something that is gonna work overnight, so I'm just showing you guys how tiny it is and how you guys can apply it. Now it does say that you can use one dip for both eyes. So I'm just going to start with this eyelash and just do it right along the lash line. And then go to the other eye. Right along the lash line. Now you can use this once or twice a day, it says. So I think I will be using it twice a day for my morning and my nightly routine. And so I'm excited to see if this grows hair where I want it to, right up here, instead of down on my actual brow bone right there. I am also using this Iconic Beauty Blur Stix. Y'all just ignore my nails. I popped off my fake nails and these look so bad. But I'm going to use this blur stick from Iconic Beauty, which was also in the box real quick. and just kind of let this sink into my pores. This is supposed to be a mattifying blurring filter. Ooh, it smells like coconut. And I'm just gonna kind of let this sit while I do the one eye so I can come back on here and do the other eye with you guys. I am using the Luxie 237, one of the brushes that came in the box. This is really nice for the transition, especially for hooded eyes. It's very small, but it's very soft, and you can easily build this pigment up. Now, normally I would pack the pigment on, but I really enjoy the way that this builds it up perfectly and seamlessly, so I am using this brush. Alright, to deepen up this outer corner here, I'm going to use the Luxie 111 Mini Flat Angled. I am also going to use this for my lower lash line, but I'm just going to slowly start packing on some deeper pigment here in the color Majesty. Alright, so now I am going in with the gloss from the Tribe Beauty Box. This is the Balm in Pretty Smart. Oh wait, no, never mind. The color is actually Zap. It's like a cute little cherry sparkly red, but it is very sheer on the lips. I am just gonna do a oh my god. Oh my god, this smells like Starbursts. Oh my god, it smells so good. It gives you just a nice little kiss of color. It's nothing too crazy, and it's not too thick, so that's nice. It's not like one of those goopy glosses. Very comfortable. It's not super glossy either. It's a very just natural kiss of color. So, oh my god, it smells so good. So I am wearing everything from the box except this Luna Lie from Earth Harbor, because this is a night serum. So just a quick recap. I love these brushes. I actually have this one right here from a previous BoxyCharm. This one is my new favorite brush for my transition space. Like, this is tiny and perfect for hooded eyes, you guys. This is incredible. I love this little brush. So the lash serum, I'm actually super excited to see how this ends up working for my eyes, because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I accidentally cut my eyelashes when I was trimming my brow hairs, because they start growing down, because that's where they grow. So I trim like just the edges here, and I accidentally trimmed my lashes when I was doing that one day. So these lashes I need a lot more help with, and I'm really excited to see how this works. This lip gloss is really nice. So I'm going to wear it today for my errands that I have to do. So this blur stick, now it's not doing anything for my smile lines, as you can see. My smile lines are fairly deep. I'm also trying a new foundation, so my smile lines have always been really deep, but it looks really nice here. If you guys can see, I don't know if it's causing a blurring effect to my skin, but my skin looks nice. I mean, it looks pretty. So I'll have to keep using this and try it with my normal primer to see if this makes a difference or not. Maybe I'll do like a half and half one day. But for right now, I mean, everything looks really pretty. It looks nice and fresh and dewy. My smile lines are terrible. This is actually beautiful. These shadows, when I did the lower lash line wet, these were gorgeous, you guys. I'm very impressed with this. This was a lot darker than I thought it was going to be, but it's fine. It's a satin, so just know there's no mattes here. You're probably going to have to bring in a matte palette. But I've never actually tried their shadows, and I was very impressed by this formula. And the colors, they're all so different, but they're so like delicate, and like it goes perfect for spring. And I love the packaging. It was really cute. I actually will use this a lot. Plus, they're my favorite colors to wear. I love purples. And this is absolutely gigantic. I actually just got a ton of eyeliners, and they're almost out of this bag, and this is a much larger bag. So I am going to transition all my eyeliners to this bag, and I can see them through this bag a lot easier. So I'm super... Oh, ooh. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, oh my god, look how pretty. That's so pretty. Oh my god, I feel like a mermaid. That is all I have for this little tutorial. I've never gotten this box before. I was super happy that they sent it to me, so thank you so much again. Let me know if you guys have this box and what your favorite item was in this month's box. So that's all I have, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!